Well, hi everybody. Welcome back. I am not out at the farm today. I am at home and just want to do a quick little video because I've got this all open and thought if it could help someone else, then that's great. So I have this washer and dryer set, relatively cheap brand, Roper by Whirlpool. I got both of these items when I bought the house and moved into the house maybe 17 years ago, something like that. So these are 17 years old. At the time, I didn't have a whole lot of money and needed a washer and dryer, so I pretty much bought the cheapest brand and option that I could find. But I'll tell you what, it's worked out well for me and for us. They just worked great. We've never had any problems. The washing machine washes clothes great. The dryer's fantastic. It's quick and works well. Never had any problems. So we do have family and friends who have some of the newer, style, more expensive, high efficiency, front loading washer dryer combos. They have had lots of problems with those, but this cheap Roper brand, 17 years old, has just been really kicking ass for us. So till recently, no problems, and the last load in the dryer, we just had no heat. So trying to figure that out, I took the back off, and with the help of some other videos online and Google searches and stuff like that, I've been doing some continuity tests with the little multimeter there. So just checking the continuity of these things, like the thermal fuses and thermostats and switches and stuff like that. And everything checked out fine with all of those. So the only other thing I can think of is the actual heating element itself. And this is where it sits here. It's just a couple of screws, pulls down and out. I got to take the thermostat wires off of it. The thermostat off, and here it is. There's the thermostat. There's the heating element. There's the hole for the thermostat and the wires. But that's about it. I've got a new one on order. I'm pretty sure this is the problem because I do a continuity test here, and I'll show you that in a second if I can set up my phone. And not getting anything, so I think that's the problem. So I don't know if it's broken somewhere, there's some other internal issue, but I do see I have a big crack in the housing there. You can see that. I don't know if that causes any of the issues. It's just kind of the housing plate, but there's got to be something else wrong with it. So it's about a $30 item. It's coming from Amazon, should be here in a couple of days. When it comes, I'll give you an update, but I'll just set up the multimeter just to show you what is or what isn't happening, I guess. But I try to do a continuity test here. Okay, so just trying to get this hands-free so I can do a continuity test with the multimeter. Just give it a go here. And as you can see, you're not hearing any beeps from my multimeter. Tell me there's a connectivity problem there, so I'm assuming that's the issue based on the evidence, and I'll give you an update in a couple of days. Patch this together with the new heating element, get it in and see what happens. Okay, so here we go. It's just I think 2 days later, and parcel arrived from Amazon. Here is the new heating coils, heating element. Here's the old, new, old, new. So we'll get this installed. I've got to put the thermostat back on the side, just one screw, and I'll get it put in the back and screwed on, and we'll see what happens here. Crossing my fingers that this is the solution. Okay, so there it is, back in place, just two little screws. There's the screws. There's one, and the same one on the other side. And I got the 3 wires back to the thermostat, and I let it rip, and instantly we have hot air. So there's the fix. That's it. If it's not any of these thermal fuses or thermostats, and you can check with continuity multimeter. Definitely and that's hot. Touch it and it's hot. There. The heating element. And it's $30 fix here for me. And I'm happy this Roper is going to be kicking some more life in it. Many years probably still left in this baby. So I'm going to put the back on. It's probably six or 8 screws, and we're back in business. So there you have it, everybody. Thanks for watching.